Hello guys, I'm making another dirt bike video. It's if you never watched my last video, you should go watch it right now because this video is insane. So I'm gonna show you how to do a catwalk. It's a 110cc engine, kickstart or electric start. I'm guessing it probably has 30 horsepower, wide open. See how we'll see what we do. So I'm gonna kickstart it. Why not? Have the key on. So how you pull, I'm going to put it in one here, how you pull catwalk. You sit back, and then you put both feet on the ground, and then you lean back like that, and then you give it the throttle and let it spin a bit, and then hit down. Then hit down, watch it go down. This is how you go through a place without crashing, a rocky place. This is how a 110cc gets through a mud hole. It's about 2 feet deep, not bad. This is how a 110cc dirt bike goes in third gear, but it has fourth gear. Hello guys, hope you enjoyed. I hope that you left a like or subscribe to my channel. And if you want to go see my other videos, it's random with all capitals. And I have fighting an owl, random fighting an owl, sliding fails, 110cc dirt bike in mud, and then I have this one. and epic Nerf gun war. And so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you will subscribe, please tell me in the comments.